Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you list important updates about Nacho the Cat coin. Is price prediction this year mega bullion? That is it possible that this KRC20 cat theme meme coin be the next $1 billion market coin? You see its listing on Binance Coinbase because this is the high market meme coin and first ever meme coin in Casper ecosystem or not. So it just be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. And friend, if you still not join my Telegram channel, so you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrency updates here, for latest videos update here. That you can see recently I post another video that top 30 meme coins. Okay, these all 30 meme coins I'm also holding, and I think these 30 meme coin can lead this super cycle meme coins mega balloon. So if you still not watch that video, you can also check out this video. Okay, and my all other information, just like you can see my favorite meme coins. Okay, there are right now in massive dip, just like Chill Guy, Turbo, Whiff, Floki, Bread, and Shiru is one of my most favorite super low cap meme coin. And friend, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then you can also join my Telegram channel and copy these addresses. You can support Sky Crypto channel. Okay, so you have to just click here in pinned message, then you can get my crypto addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. Nacho current price per 4 times $0.34. You can see friends, last 24 hours 4% dump, last 7 days 23% dump, last 14 days 26% dump, but last 30 days 22% pump here. So somehow this is good. Super low cap meme coin, just 9.9 million market only. Okay, so under $10 million market. That's why this meme coin has potential to be the next real 1000x potential meme coin here. If it reached $10 billion market, that is I think possible. Right now trading volume is very low. You can see just $194,000 only, 287 billion coin supply all in circulation. This was the first ever meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem, in Casper ecosystem. You can see friends, this was the first ever meme coin, discard board cat theme meme coin inspiration. We are 95%, okay friends, 95% down the install time high. There was December 7 4 months ago, and 73% up the install time low. There was 26 days ago. So right now this meme coin is going upward here. Gate.io has recently listed this coin. Before that, CoinX, Pinex, and Bitmart has already listed this coin. So only 4 central exchanges has listed this coin. Somehow this is good because it's still in crypto market. We have no massive hype for meme coin, and especially for Casper meme coin. But definitely when Casper will list on Binance this year, and at that time definitely all KRC20 ecosystem meme coin can perform amazing. We can see their listings on major central exchanges and can boom also. You can see friends, website is also looking good. You can see Nacho Cat has partnered with the first DEX on Casper. Okay, so let's swap his name, and so this was the first ever DEX on Casper. So this is good. Nacho the Cat inspired by Casper's co-founder. Okay, so it's pet's name, just like we have Myro or Solana dog, and we have Unisui ecosystem dog. So this is Casper ecosystem co-founder Shai's pet cat. So this is good. These are some new listing for Caspa. Also trade Nacho, sorry, for Nacho, and you can also mint Nacho coins. Nacho as NFT is socialist music. Get to know Nacho. You can check out Stocknemics. You can check out Switchin. Also, total supply is, I'll show you, 287 billion coins, and you can mint also. No pre-sale. All was fair launch tokens. So this is good, friends. You can check out all further details by yourself also, because in crypto you have to do your own research also. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed, and maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges also. On Casper scan, you can see friends, is all further details. His price is open 4 times 0 $34 drop by 5%, and it's mint 100%. You can see all tokens are in circulation. There will be no more token left to come in circulation in future. So this is good. It's all supply in circulation. Status is fully minted. This is good. Pre-minted token was 0%, as I'll show you on their website. 279 days ago this coin was developed here. So since 200 and almost 80 days, this meme coin is active in crypto market. This is good. 18,000 holders. I think this is the highest holder meme coin in Caspa ecosystem also, because Kango and Caspi has less holder than this. So these number of holders are amazing. 18,000 holders are really amazing, friends. This is not a joke. This is very number of good holders. You can see CoinEx has 8.3% of supply. That is the central exchange holding highest supply. Gate.io holding 2.7% of supply, and Pionex US wallet, okay, holding 1.5% supply. So this is good. And other, okay, just top four wallets hold more than 1% of supply. All other wallets holding just 0.5% supply. You can see another Pionex exchange wallet holding 0.6% supply. These are some other different wallets. I'm also holding this coin on CoinEx exchange, but soon I'm going to buy this coin on Gate.io also, because I think Nacho Cat is going to be amazing this year. Super Cycle meme coins mega balloon is still loads of central exchange listing left for this coin. And as I already told you that if it's possible that we can see Caspa coin listing on Binance and a massive high for Caspa ETFs, then definitely KRC20 meme coins can boom in crypto market. We can see that time Nacho Cat up to $1 billion market here. My price prediction for Nacho is at least $10 billion here, from just 9.9 million to maybe $10 billion. What do you think for your price prediction? Are you holding Nacho or not? You can must comment down below.